Jason. In this video, I will be showing you how to make a website for Flim Business. The platform that we'll be using to create our website is Wix. The reason why I recommend Wix Website Builder is because it is beginner friendly, you can get started for completely free, and it is also easy to use. All you'll need to do is go onto wix.com. From there you can create an account using your email address. After you have created your account, you'll be redirected to this page. On this page, I want you to tap on Create on Wix Editor. Then from here, you're going to tap on Set Up Without Chat. After you have done that, you're going to tap on the search bar and you can type in Flim. So you can type in Flim real quick and you can see Flim Portfolio, Flim Production Studio, and you can see there are numerous categories that you can go in. Now let's say for example I were to select Flim Portfolio, then tap on Continue. After you have done that, you'll be redirected to your dashboard and you can see our dashboard is being prepared. Once the dashboard is up and running, you can add a name for your website. So let's say for example I were to name it Test Flim, then tap on Continue. From here you can choose what is the purpose of your website. So is your goal to sell products or offer services or to build a community? You can select whichever one of these options suits you. So let's say for example we would like to offer services, and we're also going to tap on Promote a Business, and we probably sell a few products. So we're going to tap on Sell Products. We're going to tap on Continue. Then you can see some recommended apps. So we're going to need the booking apps, as this will allow our clients to schedule when they would like to book an appointment with us. And you can also select video, which will allow us to upload, share and stream videos. We can also sell videos using this platform. And if it is a case that, for example, you like to sell other products online, you could select Online Store. We're also going to select Portfolio so that we can upload some of our work. Then we're going to tap on Continue, then tap on Continue to Dashboard. After doing that, you'll be redirected to your dashboard once more. And all I want you to do is go over to the left-hand menu option, and from there you can select Portfolio. After selecting Portfolio, from here you can see what kind of work are you showcasing. And you can select film festivals, short films, documentaries, music videos, any one of these options. Then you will tap on Next. After you have done that, you can tap on Upload from Computer, and then you can upload your first portfolio. You can also arrange it in collections if you want by tapping on Collections. You can also tap on Integrations from the left-hand menu option, and from here you will normally see different form of integrations that you can use. But at the moment, all you'll need to do is upload from your computer. Now if we were to tap on Video Library, from here you will be able to upload different videos. So for example, you can upload videos from your computer, Dropbox, Google Drive, or you can simply paste in the video URL. You can also add live streams, and if it is a case that you would like to sell videos, you can do that. For example, if I were to select video libraries, then I'm going to tap on Upload Video, and let's say I were to select a video from my computer. So let's say for example's sake I were to select this video, then tap on Open. Once the video has been added, as you can see right here, just give it a few seconds, you can see Upload in process. Once it has been uploaded, you could tap on the pencil icon. After tapping on the pencil icon, you can change the title of the video. You can also change the cover image, and you can select the price. So instead of it going for free, you could tap on Paid, and you could set the price that you would like to sell it for. After setting the price, you'll simply tap on Save in the top right hand corner, and from there you will now have your video that you can now charge persons to download. Another thing that you can also do is, after you have set that up, you could tap on Booking Calendar, and from there you will be able to see your booking calendar right here. And to edit the different services that you would like to offer, you will hover over Catalog from the left-hand menu option and tap on Booking Services. And these are some sample booking services that you can see right here that have been added. And if you'd like to edit one of these booking services, you can tap on Edit. From here, you could change the title, the cover image. You can also scroll down, change the duration time, and you can also change the price. So for example, let's say I would like to charge $10, then I'll tap on Save. After you have done that, you can also add other services that you can quickly offer by tapping on New Services. So you can add multiple services real quick by tapping on Add New Service in the top right hand corner. After you're finished, it is now time to set up your payment methods. To do this, you will hover over Getting Paid in the top left hand corner, and you're going to tap on Connect and Set Up. After doing that, you'll be redirected to this page, and you're going to tap on Connect Payment Method. Depending on the country you're located in, you will see different payment options. For example, I'm located in Jamaica, so I'll be able to offer TiloPay, PayPal. But if you were to tap where you see Jamaica on my screen and change it to a different country, for example United States, you realize that I can now offer so much more payment options. For example, I can offer Wix, and if I were to tap on See More Payment Options, I can offer Afterpay, Affirm, Alipay, Klarna, and so much more. So you can set it up right here. Keep in mind, to accept payments online using Wix, you will need to go onto their paid plan, which starts off at $17 per month, but it is definitely worth the investment. After you're finished doing that, you're going to tap on Home in the top left hand corner. Then I want you to tap on Design Site in the top right hand corner. Then you're going to tap on Pick a Template. From here, you can see different templates that are recommended. All you need to do is select a template of your liking. I normally select one of the best match. So you're going to tap on Edit. Then you'll give it a few seconds while the Wix website editor is loading up. Once it loads up, you're going to see a pop-up window appear. In this pop-up window, if you would like to use the Wix AI to compose content to be added to your website, you could type in some information, for example, about your business or about yourself, and then it will be able to load up some content to your website. If you don't want to do that, you can simply close the pop-up, tap on the plus 50% in the top right hand corner, and at the moment this is how our website looks. To edit it, you can simply hover over any section you'd like to change, tap on Quick Edit. From here, you'll see a pop-up window appear on the right hand column, and you can start editing. So for example, I'll change this to Jason Flim, so I'll do that real quick. Then I'll tap on the X right here to save it. Then you can edit this section by simply tapping on the section, tapping on Edit Text. Then from there, you could edit the text once more. So I can do that real quick. And it is as easy as that. If you would like to change the background, you can tap on the current background, then tap on Change Background. Then from there, you could tap on Image or Video. And I could upload a new background, let's say this one. Then I'll tap on Change Background, and you'll realize that the background image has now changed, as you can see right there. And you can scroll down and you can edit each section, and you can see right here, these are the different videos, so you can see them right there. And as I showed you earlier, you can upload your videos real quick. To view all the pages on your website, you will tap on Home in the top left hand corner. So for example, if I were to tap on Flims, you would see the Flims page, as you can see right here, and you'll be able to edit each page. If it is a case that you would like to add an element that you don't see, all you need to do is tap on the plus in the top left hand corner that says Add Elements. From there, you can add a text box, image, anything at all that you would like to add to your website. You will find it in this section. Once you're finished, you'll tap on Save, then you'll tap on Publish, and your website will now be live. If I were to tap on Preview, you can see how it looks, as you can see right here. And if I were to tap on About, you can see how the About page looks. You can also see screening events. You can see how it looks right there. And if I were to tap on Book Online, you can see how the Book Online page looks right there. And that's it. Hope you found this tutorial helpful and informative. If you did, be sure to hit the like button and subscribe.